Good afternoon, students. Okay, look at the next revision set of questions for the upcoming assessment. The first question over here is, what fraction of 12 is 3? Means what fraction you are, what fraction you have to multiply with 12 that gives you answer as 3. Okay, so this means in the denominator there should be 4, definitely. Okay, so or you can also do one thing, 3 by 12 will also give you the answer. So 3 by 12, what is the value? So that is your answer. Or in means another way of asking this question is, what fraction of 12 is 3? Means 3 out of 12 is equal to what fraction? Okay. How many weeks are there in 420 days? So we know that 1 week equal to 7 days. So with 420 you have to divide 7 and check your answer among these 4 options. Coming on to question number 3. Divide 64 by me. The answer is me. Divide 56 by me. It's 7. You will see who am I. See, first thing is you have to divide 64 by me and the answer is also me. Means after division, what are you going to get? The quotient, that is the answer. And by what you are dividing 64 means it is the divisor. Means both the divisor and quotient are same. Now next it is giving divide 56 by me, it's 7. Means what you will do? 56 you divide it by 7 to get this me. That is 8. So you got 8. Now you check that 8 is applicable in the first case or not. 64 divided by 8, what are you getting? The answer is 8 only. So both divisor and quotient is 8. Who am I? So you can choose the correct option. What fraction is 30 minutes of 1 hour? See, we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 30 minutes out of 60 minutes, 30 by 60. And you have to solve it. Now what is the 30 by 60? You check which among the options are correct. Moving on to the next question. Salim ordered 9 cakes and shared among 11 people. So 9 cakes is shared among 11 people. Means 9 cakes are divided equally among 11 people. So what will be the question is, how much portion of cake each person gets? So that is 9 by 11. Okay. Let us come to question number 6. Question number 6 is what? How many times can you take away 7 from 392? So this is in a way it is telling about repeated subtraction, which is again division. So you have to do 392 divided by 7 to get the answer. Coming on to question number 7. Sanskrit name for the fraction is dash. This question is there in the book. You check and you will find out which is the correct option. Next question is 1 by 5 of 70. Divide 70 by 5 and you will get the answer among which is equal to among these options. Okay, which is equal to one option among these 4. Coming to question number 9. There are 10 balls, 7 are red and remaining are blue. Means if out of 10 balls 7 are red, then what are blue? 10 minus 7, 3 are blue. What is the fraction of blue balls? So that is 3 out of 10. So you can find out the correct answer from the option. Look at the number 10 question. Erika bought 4 dozen apples. 9 of them got rotten. 4 dozen apples, first you have to take out the value. 1 dozen means 12 apples. So 4 dozen means 4 into 12, that is 48. Out of 48 apples, 9 got rotten means what fraction of apples are in good condition? First you have to subtract 48 minus 9. That you have to show in terms of fraction, means that much out of the 4 dozen. Total apples are 4 dozen. Na? Let us come to question number 11. Okay, question number 11 is what? Just check here. Out of the following divisions, one has a different quotient. Which is it? Check all the divisions and you see which answer you are getting is wrong. I mean different. from the other three. So in a way you can say find the odd man out. 9802 divided by 100, what will be the quotient and what will be the remainder you have to take out. Next question. A car is moving at a speed of 60 km per hour. How long does it take the car to cover 300 km? See, this is, try to understand, 60 km per hour means what? In 1 hour the car is going how much? 60 km. Okay. So 300 km, how much time it will take means you have to divide 300 by 60. You have to divide 300 by 60. Whatever answer you get, that much hour will be your time which is taken by the car to cover 300 km. Coming on to question number 14. The numerator and denominator are separated by a line called fraction var vinculum, both A and B, neither A nor B. This question answer also will get direct from the book itself. Search it from the book. Coming on to the last question, that is question number 15. 3 equal parts out of 8 equal parts is 3/5, 3/8, 3 by 16, 8 by 24. Means what does it want to say? Which among these options are correct? Okay, you have to convert this 3/8 in fraction form. 3/5 also in fraction form. It is the name. Fraction is written. This is the other name how we represent the fraction. Okay. Okay, children. So best of luck for your assessment and practice these questions. These are very important questions. Okay, which will help you for solving the questions in your assessment. Thank you.